It might be your microphone setup, but I think the dynamics didn't really come through, like particularly the third line, the contrast from piano all the way up to forte in one line. I wasn't getting.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, all right, okay.
Yes, my fault.
Excuse me, blame the microphone, but yeah, I think it does need a little bit more dynamic shaping, doesn't it?
In the third line and fourth line, the left hand, I didn't heard much of this kind of chord. Weird, very weird. Like in the fingering in bar 11. See the fingering in 11 left hand. 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 5. I need to practice more times.
Yeah,
for younger students.
It's to get it legato, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. Let me play again. Rest.
And the final tenutos, I think they're probably stretched out a little bit more. Almost every note has its own sort of importance. Bit of extra pressure and length to each of those tenutos at the end.
I see.
Emphasized, yeah? Yeah, because it already says broader, which to me suggests slower. And then the tenutos on the final 5 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, probably slower again.